Hi all, it's Mina. Hope you're doing well. In this video, we'll talk about how to get better control of your spending. A few simple steps can help cut down your business expenses. We'll help you spot the areas where costs can be cut and use the latest tech to manage the numbers. Stay with us until the end of this video and do not forget to subscribe to our channel to be updated on the latest videos about business, money, and investment. Keeping the business in a positive cash flow position is very vital, but you can only do this if your cash inflows outweigh your cash outflows. This is sales revenues and other income versus supply costs and other liabilities like tax cost or loan repayments. One way to rebalance the cash flow scales is to get in better control of your spending. This process of spend management is about reviewing your expenses, renegotiating better deals with suppliers, and getting a razor-sharp focus on reducing your cash outflows. You can actually do these 5 tips and we've made them ready for you. First is you can review your current suppliers. Once you have a reliable supply chain set up, it's very easy to fall back on using the same suppliers over and over again. But in reality, there is real value in reviewing the suppliers you are using so you don't miss out on any better deals. Prices will go up and down in the marketplace and new suppliers will appear in the market. So it's worth regularly checking for alternative providers that can offer you cheaper rates, better value prices, or longer payment terms. Second is you can also negotiate better prices with your trusted suppliers. You may be happy with the supplier relationship you have, but still want to cut down your spending. In this scenario, it's well worth negotiating. Very few suppliers will want to lose a valued customer, especially if you're a long-term client who's bringing in reliable revenues to them. If the relationship is strong enough, they'll be open to a negotiated deal that works for both of you. Next is you can also rein your expenses or limit your expenses. It may sound obvious, but one of the easiest ways to cut your overall expenditure is to be a bit more frugal with your overall spending. Don't overspend on stock, raw materials, or services. Just buy what you need to stay in operation and keep a close eye when new orders will be needed, rather than overspending and using up your available cash. Where day-to-day spending has gone out of hand, you can make a big difference in your expenditure by small changes to your outgoings. Other cash savings options include putting a limit on staff expense cards or cancelling unnecessary software or magazine subscriptions that are not necessary or needed for the operation. The next tip is you can use a purchase order number system. A purchase order number system makes it easier to keep track of your spending. In essence, any purchase you make by the business needs a purchase order or PO number prior to a member of staff buying anything. This allows you to allocate a budget and track the spending against this particular purchase or project. Having a PO number also makes it easier to track incoming invoices. Suppliers can quote the PO number on their invoice so you can match the bill to the allocated job and the budget. And the last one is you can use tech to get in control of the numbers. In an ideal world, you want as much oversight over your spending as possible. And with today's cloud accounting software, expense apps and inventory apps online, it's easier than ever to manage your expenses and stay in control of the main numbers. If you want to streamline your expenses, come and talk to us. We're here to spot areas of where costs can be cut and the latest technology you can use in your business to manage the numbers. You can use an expense management system and we're here to help. Bye for now.